is about midnight on day one of our Christmas trip, and that is why I'm talking kind of quiet because we just checked into our room. We are at Bay Lake Tower over at the Contemporary, and we are in room 8037 on the 10th floor. So let's go check it out. This is a studio room with a pool view. It's gorgeous. It's very modern, which obviously is the theme of Contemporary, but we have beige walls and this dark mahogany door. You can see right when you walk in, there's a nice little hallway. Off to the right, we have the bathroom, which has a great sliding door. This is the bathroom. You have the tile shower. I really like these colors. I love aqua and brown and tan together. So you have a nice shower with, of course, the H2O products that I know we all know and love. It's a really nice sized bathroom, and they have nice kind of robin's egg blue walls. The toilet there, and then over here is the sink, and you can see there's quite a bit of storage over there. So some great storage for your toiletries and things, and then underneath you have more storage. And also, of course, that handy dandy hairdryer. More H2O products, me and my Christmas shirt, hi. And we're going to go a little bit farther into the room, and I actually didn't know we had this, but we have a little kitchenette, which is awesome. So we have a microwave, we've got a little cupboard here, which has some glasses, coffee mugs, and some paper plates. Coffee maker. Who wishes this was a Keurig? Because I do. We have another lotion. How exciting is that? We have a little H2O lotion. That'll be coming home with us. We have a sink, and then under there you have your disposal, a little trash, some storage there. You have a little mini fridge. Perfect. And also a little toaster. How cute is that? There's a lot of storage in here too, so if you weren't going to be eating a lot, look at this pantry. Holy cow, I did not know that was in there. That is a massive pantry. If you were staying here for a few days and you were running short on storage, you could use this as storage. Full length mirror. Hey. Another mirror here with additional storage. I'm blown away by the amount of storage in this room. Another light here, and then these are cool. This little decorative wall here. That's really cool. We have the closet here, which is here on the left-hand side of the hallway. Nice size. Extra bedding up there for the rollaway. And then safe, and that's our dirty clothes bag. And then it has your safe and your all-important vacuum. Over here we have a queen bed, which is really narrow right here. As you can see, it's super narrow, but that's all right. And then we've got our nice little modern Mickey portrait there. There's the bed again. And then this is the couch that folds out into a sleeper. So there's that there, which is pretty nice if you need that extra sleeping space. Otherwise, it's a nice little hangout area. Additional paintings over here. Again, that modern theme, which is, of course, Contemporary. Then you have your nice window here. We'll go out there in just a second. This is a nice space, actually. You can see, you can do a workout in this area. That is a lot of space right there. That's pretty cool. Then, of course, we've got Stacy on the TV because you guys know we don't watch anything else nor in Disney. I've already unpacked my ears. I don't unpack for the most part when we come to Disney. I literally live out of my suitcase. It's from years of traveling for work, but I always unpack my ears. So those are the first things to get unpacked. And then you have another mirror here, your little sitting area, which we will be using as our charging station. And then check out this view out here on the balcony. Our balcony is really large. So you've got two chairs. Bryson's in one of them. You can't really see him because it's so dark. But we've got a little table there. This is a massive balcony. there's the rest of Bay Lake Tower. Pretty awesome. There's the Top of the World Lounge, backside of it anyway. Down there is the lobby area. And then check out the pool, you guys. It's Mickey shaped. How cool is that? But this is our room. And there's the room, or the view from our balcony. You can see it's a pretty nice sized room, actually. In the living space, there's a lot of open space, which is pretty nice, because sometimes you don't get that in the Disney rooms. But so overall, good first impression. Pretty excited about it. I'm saying not too shabby. Finishing our stay at Bay Lake Tower.
Yep, we stayed here at Bay Lake Tower in a deluxe studio, as you saw in our room tour. And a few things about Bay Lake Tower. Just so you know, it is a DVC resort. You can stay here for cash, but it is quite pricey.
It's a modern contemporary resort, so
Yeah.
it's a play off of the Disney's Contemporary, so it's similarly themed to that. It's not our style, but I can see why people love it. People really love like modern and contemporary finishes. This is a great choice for them.
Yeah, 100%. If you aren't looking for a lot of Disney theming, you kind of want that home feel with just a little touch of Disney, this is where to come.
It really reminds me of a convention center to me when I was walking through like the lobbies and stuff.
Oh, for sure. The Contemporary is one of the largest convention centers here at Disney, so
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely got that feel to it. But Bay Lake Tower is set off from Contemporary.
Yeah.
Don't think that like this is a Contemporary review. Bay Lake Tower is away from the Contemporary. It's about 100 yards away, so you are secluded from Contemporary, but there's a walkway that you can take from the 5th floor over to the 4th floor at the Contemporary that combines the two hotels, that has amazing views.
There's a lot of amenities over at the Contemporary. There's several really nice and large gift shops, plus Contempo cafes over there, and Chef Mickey's.
And the monorail.
And the monorail.
And all your transportation from Bay Lake Tower, as far as buses or monorails, is obviously at Contemporary. There's not a bus stop at Bay Lake Tower, but like I said, it's only 100 yards away. It's not that far. And Magic Kingdom is a 5-minute walk.
Yep.
We did it last night. It's not that bad. So, as a DVC member, I would stay at Bay Lake Tower again if that was my choice. As a cash-paying customer, I would not, because it's like $600 a night to stay here. So that's not worth it at all. You can go stay at the Four Seasons for that.
Super convenient, though, if you are going to be spending a lot of time at Magic Kingdom.
Correct. Definitely very convenient as far as Magic Kingdom goes.
Have you ever stayed at Bay Lake Tower? What did you think? And what was your favorite part about it?
Yeah, let us know in the comments down below. And again, thank you for watching. If you haven't done already, please subscribe. Hit that like button to let us know you like our videos. And hit the bell icon so that you'll know whenever we release new videos.
Thank you for stopping by.
And for the love of the mouse,
Never forget.
that it all started
With the mouse.